Congress leaders are busy with last-minute preparations for the party's grand Chintan Shibir, the biggest congregation of party leaders from across the country to brainstorm ahead of the 2014 battle. One of the 5 issues is women's empowerment. But is the Congress really serious, or is it only putting up a show of symbols? Well, this story is about a brave heart from Rajasthan's Bharatpur, a young Dalit girl who was gang raped. Among her rapists was a powerful man, the husband of a Congress MLA who has been evading the law until now. We want to know, why has this man been shielded for over 2 years? Why has no action been taken against him? Why is the Congress Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot, maintaining such a dumb silence? And will Sonia Gandhi herself step in and act? Jaleesh Khan is wanted in the 2010 case of a Dalit teenager's gang rape. After eluding the law for more than 2 years, the husband of a powerful Congress MLA has been declared an absconder by a Bharatpur district court. What is surprising? The Congress MLA, a woman herself, is backing her husband despite the serious charges against him of raping and intimidating another woman. In fact, Zahida Begum even shot off a letter to Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot denying that her husband had raped another woman. The case was never in the victim's favor, with the police initially refusing to register the rape victim's complaint. The FIR was lodged only after the court's intervention. The victim claims she is still being threatened to withdraw Jaleesh's name from the case. What's surprising, we spoke to the Congress MLA and her husband some time ago, even as he evaded court summons.
जलीस सब गुंडों का नेता तो वही है। हाँ, ये धमकी देते हैं कि क्या तो पैसा लो या फिर केस वापस लो और बस जलीस का नाम निकाल दो, लेकिन हम ऐसा नहीं चाहते। मेरी नानी के पास भी गए थे।
उसमें नाजायज लोगों को पकड़ा है, असली अवैध करने वाले लोगों को नहीं पकड़ा है। तो ऐसी खानापूर्ति के खिलाफ हमने बात की थी, या दोषियों को पकड़ा।
ये सब बाद में बात करेंगे। ये कोई सरकार की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस है ना,
ये तो 2 मिनट के लिए
इसको नहीं, कोई कमेंट नहीं दिया था। सब चीजें लेवल में होती हुई सब चीज आज भी नहीं।
The girl was kidnapped from Bharatpur's Kama area by 4 men. 6 more men and the Congress MLA's husband, Jaleesh Khan, allegedly joined the gang to repeatedly rape the victim. For the next 6 months, she was taken to Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi and gang raped there as well. But for the next 2 years, the victim has undergone further torture. Justice eludes her. 11 men were charged, but only 1 was arrested. The main accused, Jaleesh Khan, the man you see on your screen, roamed free and without fear. He was allowed to evade court summons and was never arrested. It is not surprising, since Jaleesh Khan's wife, Begum Zahida Khan, is a Congress MLA from Bharatpur's Kama area. She is also the state parliamentary secretary. So while the victim has been struggling for justice, political power seems to have been at play here as well.
पुलिस इनको संरक्षण दे रही है। पिछली बार भी अगर सीबीआई से जांच नहीं होती तो 2 मंत्री और विधायक भी बच जाते, और इस सारे प्रकरण के अंदर केवल 1 व्यक्ति को गिरफ्तार किया है, 6 व्यक्तियों को अदालत ने भगोड़ा घोषित किया है। लेकिन वो पुलिस की मौजूदगी में पुलिस के साथ रहते हैं, पुलिस को पता है, लेकिन अदालत के आदेश की सरकार पालना नहीं कर रही। और जिस तरीके से रेप और व्यभिचारी मामले के अंदर कांग्रेस के नेता घूम रहे हैं, इससे लिए चिंता का विषय राज्य।
BJP is insisting that we are giving protection to him. I don't think they are true in this sense, because they always create issues about such matters. And I would like to assure you that the Congress government never safeguards anybody who is involved in such cases.
Political patronage and police inaction have emboldened the accused in the case, who have been roaming around freely, even as the victim lives a scared and a scarred life. After the court declared the MLA's husband as an absconder, the system may finally be forced to act. With Nikhil Sharma and Suresh Poshdar in Bharatpur, Devankur Vadhavan in Jaipur for Headlines Today.